I don't like walking around this old and empty house.
So hold my hand, I'll walk with you, my dear.
The stars creep as you sleep, it's keeping me awake.
It's the house telling you to close your eyes.
Some days I can't even trust myself.
It's killing me to see you this way.
Cause though the truth may vary, this ship will carry our bodies safe to shore. Don't listen to a word I say. The screams all sound the same. Though the truth may vary, this ship will carry our bodies safe to shore.
Oh yeah, we're live. Not live. Good afternoon, everybody. Oh no. How's it going, everybody? It's Dane back from TV's on Tour. And I'm filming another video. You wouldn't hear about it, but this is like 3 weeks in a row. This will be four weeks in a row, I think, since I posted a video. Oh god, I can see the mic going crazy because of the, guess what? The wind. Everywhere I go, wind. It was nice and calm in Canberra, but now it's windy. Nonetheless, we're back out filming another video. Today's video is going to be short for once. This will be a short video and I'm going to make sure it's short. Essentially, it's just going to be a cinematic video, cinematic style video, I should say. My plan is to just get some nice rolling shots of this, with of course the camera sitting down because I'm by myself. I'll just set it up on corners and stuff like that, and then I'll just film as I go, but it will hopefully be around a 10 to 15 minute video, if not less. I promise. I'll make sure I even cut it down. I've got the drone out if it's going to play funny buggers. There won't be any drone footage, which you will soon find out. But here's the car, a little update on it. It's running great. I've had not a single issue with it still. I've been driving it around pretty often now, besides during the week. I'll avoid driving it to work as I've got my Subaru still. I've done the oil change, which I mentioned in the last video, but 2 fresh new tyres on the rear. I don't know why I needed them, but I've got them now. Yeah, that's all I've done to it. Oh, one issue has occurred. So, this breaks my heart. It's with the red interior. So essentially, I was hopping into the car to go to the gym, had my gym bag, pulled my gym bag in, it got caught on the side of the little adjuster thing. My elbow is dug into where my back sits on the seat, and I've ripped the seams on the driver's side seat. I'll show you a clip of that. But I'm not too happy about that, but then again, I haven't destroyed the leather. The leather is okay, everything's okay. It's just literally the stitching. So tomorrow I'm going to call up and get it booked in to get it reupholstered or restitched, whatever, however they do it. But yeah. Oh, another big thing. I have an update. I will have an update tomorrow, Monday. Today's Sunday. So Monday I'll have an update, or Tuesday, about my patrol. What is happening with it? As I sent them an email. Last video I told you guys I'm sick and tired of it. I don't know what to do, but a few of you guys have mentioned I should just reach out to the ACCC or Fair Trading and all that, and then just get their opinion, get their advice, see what to do. And I have. I sent the shop an email, pretty business related email. That's the problem. They're nice people, but that doesn't matter anymore. Whether they're nice or not, they've still got my car and it's still taking this long, so no more nice me. So yeah, I should have an update about it Monday or Tuesday. We've organised a meeting with the boss, and anything that's gonna be an outcome, I'll get written in paper and have an actual documentation of it, because I'm not to get screwed over. I really want the patrol back. Camping out of this was fun. I enjoyed camping in it, but I just felt bad for it as well. I will go camping again, of course, in it. But in terms of how cold it was out there and all that, I just felt like I couldn't properly camp if that makes any sense. Like, all my camping gear and the patrol's set up for camping, and to just have everything out of the back of it, where yes, everything fits in the ute, and it was fine, but it just didn't feel right. I don't know, but some of you might understand, some of you won't. I don't even know if I understand, but yeah, that's where we're at. We'll get into the video. Enough squawking. I squawk too much. Gets carried away.
I don't like walking around this old and empty house.
So hold my hand, I'll walk with you, my dear.
The stars creep as you sleep, it's keeping me awake.
It's the house telling you to close your eyes.
And some days I can't even trust myself.
It's killing me to see you this way.
Cause though the truth may vary, this ship will carry our bodies safe to shore. Don't listen to a word I say. The screams all sound the same. Though the truth may vary, this ship will carry our bodies safe to shore. To shore, to shore, to shore.
There is snow clouds. It is currently snowing over there. Wonder what that says. When did I put that there? Do I have a date? Yeah, 2020. End of the start of 2023. That was engraved that. That'll be it for today's video, guys. I appreciate you sticking around. I appreciate all the positive comments and everything that's been going on. I've been really enjoying YouTube lately. I'm getting more and more comfortable, as you might be able to tell from the first video to now. How comfortable I'm getting in front of the camera again, which is it's good to see that I can improve. I can still improve on that, but it's good to see that I'm coming this far. Anyway, that'll probably be it for today's video, everybody. I hope you guys enjoyed this little cinematic style video. And if anybody's wondering, I don't know if I mentioned it at the start, I can't remember now. I am at Corran Forest Dam. You can look that up. It's near Canberra. It's about 20 minutes away from where I live. And it's very scenic, and as you can see, it's a lovely place. So nonetheless, thanks for watching everyone.